If you need to recover your Creative Market account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps for a quick resolution. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Creative Market website and navigate to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your username. In the password recovery form, enter your username instead of your email address. This is crucial since you do not have access to your email. Step 4. Use alternative recovery options. If you have linked your account to a social media profile or a phone number, look for options to recover your account through those methods. Follow the prompts provided. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not work, reach out to Creative Market's customer support. Provide them with any relevant information about your account to assist in the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your account even without access to your email. Good luck!